Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. It's a LED matrix panel, so we should be able to put signs and things like that. I don't know. Let's check this thing out and see how cool it is. It'll be good for like a car or something. You see, you've got a very long cord with it. And then we have the remote control. We have stickers. And we have the panel in here. So this is what the panel looks like here. It's a little smaller than I thought. It's very rubbery. It'll probably stick to the window just by itself. And then it's got the little USB-C port on there. So let's connect this stuff up and try to figure out how it all works. So let me see, where is my power plug? I have a power plug here. And let's get this thing going. Okay, so we'll plug this in to the little device. Oh, and there we go. It says LED. Very cute. Okay, let me aim you guys down so you guys can see what I'm doing here, and we'll, as we connect it up and make it work. So let's see, right now we have the remote, and so I can do nothing until I pull out the little thing for the battery. Now, if I do that, it kind of has a little arrow. Can you see that? Yep, yeah, you can see. And then I can do the arrow the other way. I can do that. Basically says stop in Chinese. And then I have this one here, which means people crossing, I guess. This says baby on board. I wonder if there's a way to change the language so it's not all in Chinese. Let's see what we got here. We have instructions for it that are in Chinese. Ah, here we go. Here's English instructions. Very good. So we have special effects and all sorts of different things we can do. So we have to download the app. So I will do that on my iPad here. So it goes to api.etoys, App Store, get. Okay. Yes, so the way it kind of works is it gives you the tapes, and you can use these sticky tapes over all this equipment, because it's kind of, I mean, it's kind of cool actually. You can see it all. I just totally pulled it out the wrong way, but I'm going to give you the idea here of how it works. I'll show you what it looks like here. So inside here, you can see all the little components. It's kind of cool that you can see everything, but if you want to hook it up with the tapes to mount it, you could put the tapes on those to cover it up. So that's kind of how that works there. Let's see if I have my app here, and it says it wants to use my location, so I'll allow while using. I want to allow Bluetooth. And now, let's see. Please connect the hardware. So let's see, how do I connect the hardware? Probably got to go to Bluetooth. Let's see. Settings. Settings. Bluetooth. Let's see if it pops up here. Okay, actually do it from the app itself. It says device connections, and then it wants to connect to it from there. So that's where it is. So then I can do text, and I can just say hello and rainbow and send it. And now, is that it? Oh, successfully sent, but it just says an arrow. Oh, it was doing an update. Ha ha ha. There we go. Doing an update. So now if I do hi there and then send it there, now it says hi T. I guess it doesn't fit as many letters, but So you can see it does that. I can say effect. I could say move left. And there, now it will scroll the letters. Hopefully you can see what it's doing there. And then I can do a snowflake effect. And then it'll kind of spell it down that way. I could do blink. I don't know what laser is. Laser is like that. Wow. Okay then. I would say I would probably stick with move there if I'm going to be, or move left. So that would be my one there. And then I can do like an animation. I can draw something and say okay. Contain at least 2 pictures. Oh, I don't want to do an animation. Let's just do a gallery. So there, now I've got pictures I can send. So there, now it sent a smiley face. I can say, see ya. So if you were doing an Uber or something like that, you could probably go to text and say, Uber. And then, there, now you would say Uber. Now people know that you're the Uber guy. So you could do that, and you could say Uber space LYFT. And then send that. I would do move left. Yeah, Uber, Lyft. There you go. See? Look at that. How cool is that? And then I can change the brightness and the speed, I guess, is how fast it goes. Wow, that's way too fast. How cool is this little light up thing? Very cool. So, and that's kind of it. Let me see what other attributes. I can make it change colors. So there it's like a rainbow. Or this is a different type of rainbow. Very cool. So, and then you could even make it that way too. So it'll scroll